in Bulawayo arrested on the 14th of February 2025 at around 1100 hours at 9 gang which were selling drugs in and around the areas of Entumbane. That gang, there is one Elton Ndlovu, a male adult aged 24. This guy was telling the community that police fear him, police cannot do anything to him. I want to put a record straight. There is no one who is above the law. CID Bulawayo went on to have a crack team and arrested 6 accused persons whom you are seeing here for various offenses of drug-related nature, whereby they were found in possession, others were smoking of various and the assortment of drugs ranging from crystal meth, ranging from bronchlear, and various drugs that we have in the community. We also raided again today on the 19th day of February 2025 in the CBD near TM Hyper by Butter shops there. There were a lot of people who are peddling, who are selling drugs, mbanje, skanky, bronchlear, and various cocaine and crystal meth. What I'm saying to the public, we thank you for the information that you are giving us. Keep on bringing the information. Ntumbane resident has started this. They are saying no. They are saying they are eradicating drugs in their areas. We also encourage you communities, come up, give us information and as the police, and we are going to act on it. Drug dealers have a tendency of victimizing residents and telling residents that they are above the law. There is no such thing. Everyone has to confine to the laws of the nation. As the police in Bulawayo, we are saying no to drugs. We are celebrating the 21st movement, which is the Youth Day. How can we have youth in our communities dealing with drugs? The age groups of these guys is from the ages of 19 to 25 who are dealing and peddling of these drugs. On another incident, during the raid, police arrested one woman who was found with 9 children from the ages of 12 to 24 having a vuzu party during the time of the schools. These children were coming from Ulumane Primary School, Foundation College, and other various colleges around Bulawayo CPD. We are saying as Bulawayo no to vuzu parties. We urge parents to monitor the activities of their children. How can a 12-year-old go to a vuzu party and the mother or the father or the guardian not know what is happening in the life of that child? I thank you.
Okay.